you imbecile. I don't want you to shred this. It's the key to our future. Do you know what this is?
Robotic women who love us for our minds and aren't into looks or money?
No. Our home, and by that I mean my home, is going to be featured in
Why are you
Modern
taking
Lair magazine. Here, read the exposition.
A photographer
What are you gonna say,
assistant
friend?
will do a site inspection tomorrow
Huh?
to consider you for our Island Fortress issue.
Let's give
Dude, I
this
can't see.
Lair some flair.
You don't like it?
Oh,
When you
watch
watch
it.
are done with my boots,
What
make
is
sure my
this?
roller
Ew.
coaster is in tip-top shape.
Oh, okay, I hate something. Why are you taking? Can you go to your tablet?
Probably.
Perfect. It's all coming together. When the photographer's assistant arrives, he'll take one look at my lair and exclaim, "This a lair? How dare you! Listen, you pompous little pipsqueak, I'll crush you like a bug.
Not if you want your lair in our magazine.
You can't do this to me.
Modern Lair brings our readers a contemporary, upbeat take on evil. Your idea of evil is totally retro, without the irony. Your lasers are a ridiculous shade of blue. And would you please rotate that Bunsen burner 90 degrees before I get sick?
Give me a chance. I'll spruce up the place.
I'll give you a week.
I'm gonna need help from someone with a real feel for color and shape. Definitely gonna have to outsource this one. I know.
5 summer-themed seat cushions with floral upholstery that complements each guest's natural coloring already. The ice sculpture has melted just enough to hide the carving marks, and I dug a trench around the picnic table and filled it with broken glass. I might have used rose petals. Doggone it. Sonic, how are you doing on those fruit drinks? Why am I not surprised? Tails, where's the soothing music? Right here. But I thought it would be better if I gave it a little boost. Knuckles, are my grilled pheasants ready?
Not now, Amy. I'm busy.
Oh, please don't cut me, Knuckles.
Today turned out a lot different than I expected.
Sticks, sometimes I don't know why I go out of my way to make things nice for these guys.
You deserve better. I mean, this table. It should be hanging in a museum.
That villain. Just give me the signal, Amy, and I'll clam him.
Don't let the fact that I constantly try to destroy you lead you to believe that I'm here to destroy you. I just want to hire Amy to redo my lair.
Come on, Amy, you're not buying this.
Is it so hard to believe Eggman might actually respect my talents?
Well, yeah. Wait, that came out wrong.
I accept.
Don't go with egg breath.
You can't trust him. He's evil. I can take care of myself.
Splendid! My lair awaits. After you. Don't look at me. I didn't use her lovingly prepared meal as a puppet.
So, where do you want to start?
You have total creative freedom. Make this lair so fantastic that they'll want to put it on the cover. And then I'll say no.
Why?
Sorry, old habits are hard to break. It's great, but I'm not sure about the color. It just doesn't say contemporary upbeat take on evil.
This color is called Contemporary Upbeat Take on Evil Blue.
and laser light show had a certain regal flair, but do we really need that?
I've never felt so free.
This is tired.
It's him! Hello! What a surprise! He hates it. I knew those unicorns were too much. I can explain. The one to blame
I love it.
is me. Yes, I really outdid myself, didn't I?
What? It was my design!
Under my supervision,
And my execution!
with my direction.
Have one note. A 40-hour work week for the cherubs? Danger up the entryway a little, and who knows? You might make the cover. I'll be back tomorrow with the photographer.
Did you hear that? The cover?
Great! Have fun supervising yourself! I'm out of here! Really?
What did you expect? I'm a supervillain. Now, once you're finished dangering up the entryway to my lab, I want to put in an evil screening room. Well, cheer up. At least I appreciate you, unlike your so-called friends.
Burned food just doesn't taste the same without Amy.
Knuckles, you're eating a napkin.
Yeah, I knew that. Knuckles is right.
What?
Not about the napkin eating, about Amy. We need to make sure she's okay.
Yeah?
We came to get Amy. Is she done yet?
Amy has decided to become my full-time decorator. I'm afraid she doesn't want anything to do with her old friends.
Wow, never thought Amy'd abandon us. I don't think she did. Come on, we gotta find a way into this lair.
Ooh, what does that smell?
It's us. We snuck in through a sewer pipe.
I was wondering how long it would take for you guys to miss me.
We may have a hard time saying it, Amy, but, well, you know.
Yeah, I know.
There's no way we're going back out the way we came in. Care to do the honors?
Sorry about the door. Oh, and I quit.
No one quits my employ unless I dismantle them first.
It's true.
After you.
You're early.
Apparently. You're fired.
Ride the roller coaster. That always cheers me up.
Wait, please, forget the cover. How about a smaller spread? A couple pages? A page! A snapshot buried behind some cleaning product ads.
Would have been nice to see my designs featured in a magazine. Oh well, maybe someday.
I can't guarantee you a magazine spread, but I do know a shack you can redecorate.
Really? I have wanted to fix that place up for years. Oh, Sonic, it'll be amazing!
Just a few things. My coconut husk collection is off limits, too many memories, and no washing, painting, plastering, or cleaning. But other than that, you have total creative freedom.
If I told you that